Good morning! Good morning, everyone! It is Saturday. The bangs are back. For right now, at least. I washed my hair the other day and I was like, well, you know what? I might as well just have the bangs while I can because my hair is gonna grow out, you know, pretty quick, and then I won't be able to do the bangs. I've got some news to share with you from last week. As you know, last week me and Raph got into a wreck. Everyone was fine, no issues, but I did say on there that I was not able to get a rental car, but turns out my dad thought he took the rental car part off of the insurance, but he never did. So I have a rental car. I will go out and show you what it looks like. I'm actually really happy with it. I don't care too much about cars. The only thing I care about is what they look like. Like, it doesn't need to be like a fancy luxury car or anything. Just as long as I like the way it looks from the outside, that's all I care about. So it is a Kia and I quite like it. I think it's really nice. It looks very pretty from the outside. The inside is fine. It's a 2020. And for a 2020, I feel like it's a little lacking. Like, I feel like a 2020 car should be like more futuristic, but this one's kind of a bit more basic, but it's still really nice. I don't really care too much. A very pretty car. We did get like the settlement back on the 2005, and that was the car that got into the wreck last week. And we thought we were only gonna get like a couple $1,000s for it, like $3, $4, maybe even like $2,000-$3,000 for the car. So we weren't really expecting much, but then the nationwide person called us and told us how much we were going to be getting for it, and it was a lot more than we expected. So that's definitely a blessing. And I have the rental car until Halloween. Until Halloween day I have the rental car, and then I think after that I'll probably just go back. I mean, there's no probably to it. I'm gonna go back to driving my old car. The 99. It's still, you know, it's a beautiful car. It's still a great car. It's just, it's got like 300,000 miles on it because, again, it's a 99 and it's old. But it still works great. I'm not really gonna complain about it. I'm grateful to even have a car in the first place. I was finally able to order my thing from Cartier. If you know, you know. If you don't know, I ordered something from Cartier and it will be arriving next week. So I will be doing an unboxing. I'm so excited about it. I wanted this piece for so freaking long. So I think it's arriving on Tuesday. I'm not 100% sure. I ordered it last night. Today's Saturday. I ordered it last night. So I assume it'll probably arrive. Maybe it'll ship Monday, arrive Tuesday. I don't know. Anyways, I'm gonna go read some more of my manga, and that's about it. It is currently 9. I will see you when something interesting happens. We've come into Target because of course I did. Raph wanted to get a little mini pizza, so he got that, and then we just got a couple of things. I got some new dog food for the dogs because I've got to feel bad because they've been eating the same dog food. Kiva's been eating the same dog food for like a year, and Winston's been eating the same dog food for almost that long, but I wanted to get just like a little bit of other stuff just so they have a little bit of varieties. Yeah, we're at Starbucks now, gonna have some coffee, and I'll show you what we get whenever it arrives. All right, drinks are here. I got the apple crisp macchiato, really like this one. Ralph got the pumpkin cream cold brew and some water. How's the pizza? Very good. Hi. Oh. Hello. It's a bit later now. I am eating lunch, having pizza, but I'm really stressed because my parents, you know, this entire time I've been thinking that I'm just gonna drive the 99 car that I had before, and now they call me and they said, no, we don't want you driving that car anymore. They're saying that I mean, it's really old. It's a 99. It's got 300,000 miles on it, and my dad's having a hard time cranking it even in the car and stuff, and there's like a leak. The steering wheel fluid, there's like a leak. I don't know all the ins and outs, but basically they were like, we're afraid that it's going to die on you when you're driving it, so you can't have the car. So we're back to square one. So we've been looking at other cars online. I don't like know what to do because like I don't have like the cash amount to buy a car. I mean, I know I have the amount that the insurance company gave me for my car, but like that's kind of been used. Part of it's already kind of been used. And like we are also keeping a big chunk of that for like expenses and like bills and stuff, and like to have like a savings thing. So that kind of can't be used. So I think I'm kind of forced to take out a loan, which I didn't want to have to do. because me and Raph are wanting to get a house next year. At least rent a house. We're not buying, but like at least like rent a house and like move out of this place because our apartment sucks. So I'm afraid that if they see a loan, they're gonna be like, what do you need a loan for? Like, why do you have a loan? Maybe they won't do that. I think a lot of people have loans, especially people in America have loans. I'm not sure. Do people in Italy have loans?
Yep.
He says they do in Italy too, so I guess it's a very universal thing to have a loan. My parents found a 2005 BMW on this app that my dad uses, a 2005 BMW and a 2012 Kia Altima, which a Kia Altima is the exact same car that I'm driving right now as my rental car, except the one that I'm driving now is a 2020 and the Kia Altima that they found on the app is 2012. The BMW is like this charcoal gray kind of color, which is very similar to what the Kia color is that I have as the rental. I'll keep you posted on what happens and what we end up doing. But yeah, right now I'm just gonna finish eating and then I guess me and Raph are gonna play Overwatch 2. Well, I'm gonna watch him play Overwatch 2 and he's gonna actually play it. But I'm gonna watch and I guess I'll just wait until one of these people message me back about their car and I guess we'll go see it. But that's the update. Me and Mom are going to look at a couple of cars today. So here's the fit I wanted to show you. I'm sorry if you can hear my dishwasher in the background, but I've got on this striped sweater from Zara. I've got on my black Aritzia kind of like legging pants. I've got on my trench coat from Massimo Dutti. We love this trench coat. And then I have my Michael Kors boots on. I haven't worn these in about a year now. And I don't know why, like they're such good boots. Here, can I like zoom in? Yeah, my Michael Kors boots. I got those when I was back in Italy. The first time I went in Italy, like October of 2019, I think. So yeah, it's a little bit cooler today, so I'm really excited to wear my trench coat. But yeah, that's the fit. We're over here at the BMW used lot. And, oh, also, let me show you the rental car. Here's the rental car. It's a Kia. It's a 2020 Kia Optima. She's real pretty. She's real pretty. And then this is the one that we're looking at right now, the BMW. Look, it's got the little nose holes. I always call these nose holes because it's kind of what it looks like, but this is really pretty. And it's 2012.
Right now, look at the inside.
Oh, the inside looks nice.
Look at
all the BM. Look at all the cars.
Okay, so look right here where you see this. So
My God, I found a Tesla, you guys. Oh, it's a 2021. Oh, that's gonna be too expensive. But look, it's a Tesla. You can't even see inside. Oh my God. You can't see in here, but I'm looking in here. Oh my God, it looks so clean. Kind of see it. Oh, you can. Look at that. Look, there's that little TV, little monitor. Look at this. Oh my God, this looks so nice. I want a Tesla so bad. All right, here's another one. This is a black one that we're coming to see. It's got already a ding on it, but this one's a 2013. The other one was a 2012. This one does have black interior in it, which is really nice. Someone left a drink thing in there, but I really love the dark interior in here. But yeah, well, this one's definitely a no then.
Well, and pop back on, but it could clip back down too.
All right, here's this one. This is a 2013. I know I said we were going to show you a black one, but the black one ended up being a little, it had some dings on it that we didn't like. So here's this one. This one's in silver, which is nice. I normally don't like silver, but like it's still pretty. And this one is a 5 series. The other one, the white one that we looked at, was a 3 series. And this one's really nice too.
This one has 128,000 miles.
128,000 miles on it. But this one over here, I want to show you. This is a Mercedes. It's a black one, as you can see. But the interior, are you joking? It's got brown leather interior, wooden stuff here. Oh, this is incredible. This one's my favorite one so far, but I don't know if this one is this one is so nice. All right, we're back in the car, and I really like that silver one, you guys. The one that I showed you, it is a BMW 5 Series. It's a 528i, and I really like it. It's very nice. It does have 128,000 miles on it, so the miles are a little more, but I barely drive. Like, with as much as I drive, I would probably only put, like, it'd probably take me 4 years to put 100,000 miles on it. I love that silver one. It's really nice, and it's a really good price, and I feel like we'd be able to even get the people to come down on it. So that's my number 1 right now. I really like that one. My number 2 is the white one that I showed you in the beginning, that first one. But yeah, now we're gonna go eat lunch because me and Mom are both starving. And yeah, I'll let you know kind of what happens. We're not getting a car today. I'm not getting a car today, sadly, but maybe over the next couple of weeks.
He thought it was
Look
beautiful.
at this. Most amazing looking sushi. Cocktail. Chicken. Oh my God. So excited. So we're at a different place now, and we saw, if you remember me showing you that silver 5 Series, this is the exact same car, 5 Series, but it's in white instead of silver. And I think this one might be our winner. Obviously I can't get it today, but I think me and Mom are gonna come back tomorrow. So yeah, this one is just freaking beautiful. Same on the inside, dark hardware, or not hardware, it's got dark interior, like black interior. Editing Kenzie here. So I did not end up getting any of those cars. I still don't have a car because that white one, the 528i, the one that you saw at the very last clip, was like my number 1. Me and my mom were prepared to go to the credit union today to like do the payment stuff for the car, and we were gonna go get it today. But my mom is just a genius, and she called the last place that worked on the car because we have the VIN number. She called the last mechanic shop that worked on the car, and they said, "Ma'am, have you bought that car yet?" And she was like, "No." And they said, "Well, you need to stay away from that car because it needs a new motor." Like, it needs an entirely new engine. Apparently something had happened inside, like internally, like it was older than it needed to be, or there was like a piece that was kind of faulty or something, so it was just making the engine act like a lot older than it actually is. So it needed a new engine like ASAP, really soon. And I was like, well, doesn't the warranty cover that, like the extended warranty? And my mom asked that question to the person, and they said, well, if you did that, then the warranty people would know that you bought the car to fix the engine. Like they would know that. So they would make you wait like 120 days to do anything. So I'm not getting any of those cars. We're still back to square one. We're looking. Maybe I'll do, honestly, I don't have to have a luxury car. I was looking at another Mercedes, but honestly, I've had Mercedes my entire life. And I'm kind of just like thinking, well, maybe I want like a different car, maybe a different brand. Maybe I could do. They also said just stay away from BMWs in general. They just said BMWs right now. There's a reason why there's so many of them on the pre-loved market, on like the used market. There's so many of them, and they're pretty inexpensive because they all have these same problems. So they said just stay away from BMW right now. So we're looking at other options. I'm looking at like a Nissan, maybe Lexus. I have no idea. But anyways, that's the vlog. I really hope that you enjoyed us car shopping. But as soon as I do get word on like any other cars, next vlog will probably be more car shopping and stuff. So anyways, I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and then subscribe if you want to. And be sure to ding the little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!